Hi, good day everyone. I'm May from PEMF Malaysia. Today I'm going to talk about how does pulse electromagnetic field therapy PEMF work. When we talk about the mechanism of PEMF, we need to understand the Krebs cycle, the cycle of the chemical reactions within our body, which are the major source of energy productions in all living organisms. The Krebs cycle is also known as citric acid cycle or tricarboxylic acid TCA cycle. This cycle involves a series of reactions in which the energy is released by the breakdown of the molecules like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The energy is released in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. The reactions of this cycle is carried out in the mitochondrial matrix. These chemical reactions that take place are pretty complex, but you can see an overview of the steps of the cycle in the diagram. When ATP gets used, it loses part of its bond, it loses its phosphate and becomes ADP, adenosine diphosphate. Our body needs to take up ADP and attach energy to it to create ATP. So in the cycle, you got ATP which get expanded for energy for working our body cells. When it comes around, it attracts phosphate and turns into ATP again. That is the cycle. We get the energy from food consumptions, but what we are doing now is we use PEMF therapy to turn ADP into ATP, and this is how our body is improving through using PEMF therapy. We are around electromagnetic fields all the time. There are natural electromagnetic fields from the Earth and the man-made electromagnetic fields. Natural electromagnetic fields can be found everywhere in our environment. The Earth itself produces an electromagnetic field. It is safe and beneficial to all living organisms. However, in the modern era with the technologies like mobile phones, Wi-Fi devices, Bluetooth devices, computer screen, refrigerators, ovens, and microwave, and also high-tension wire produce harmful electromagnetic fields that bombard every cell in our body with detrimental energy. We need natural electromagnetic field to balance up. Unless we work outdoor for a living and we are not wearing rubber soles. If not, we are not going to get our body exposed to all the natural electromagnetic fields that we have available. Next, let's discuss about nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is an amazing molecule. It is one part of the nitrogen, another part of oxygen. Many cells in our body produce nitric oxide. What it does to our body, it helps our cardiovascular system by opening blood vessels, improves blood cell health, improves heart strength, and improves nutrients exchange. In respiratory tract, nitric oxide maintains lung health and its metabolism. Nitric oxide helps in cell proliferations. It reduces cell death. All our cells have a timer on it and they die naturally in our body. Nitric oxide helps to create less wear and tear of the cells, and it helps to generate new blood vessels and their formation. Nitric oxide helps in our immune system too by reducing inflammations and thus increase our immunity. In the central nervous system, nitric oxide helps in pain management and blood pressure regulations. In the peripheral nervous system, it helps to promote body natural rest state to achieve relaxation. In the gastrointestinal system, nitric oxide improves nutrients absorption. PEMF with nitric oxide also improves sexual health in both female and the male performance. Nitric oxide is important for many aspects of our health. Now the great news is PEMF helps to increase nitric oxide level in our body beyond the complex mechanisms. PEMF helps the natural body healing processes by delivering a non-invasive form of repetitive electrical stimulations that require no direct contact with the skin surface. PEMF therapies have proven to be beneficial in stimulating cellular metabolism, blood and fluid circulations, tissue regenerations, and immune system response. Through these processes, our body cells are able to function better and tissue repair themselves more efficiently. PEMF therapy promotes healing and a return to higher activities level of our body cells. PEMF therapy improves sleep. It leaves you feeling relaxed, energized, renewed, and with a sense of well-being. If you have any questions about how PEMF therapy can help to change your health for the better, you are welcome to contact me anytime. Thank you for your time. Wishing you good health and happiness.